Industry 4.0 Energy and Environment Monitoring System. This IoT platform monitors energy generation and consumption in industries and environmental conditions of the workplace. Data collected from the disparate energy sources like electrical grid, solar, and wind plants. Similarly, the power consumption of heavy machineries is logged by IoT gateway using standard protocols like Modbus. The environmental parameters such as ambient temperature, humidity, and CO2 levels are monitored using IoT sensors. Energy Monitoring Dashboard. This consolidated dashboard comprises total energy supply versus consumption, source-wise power generated, section-wise energy consumed. In a typical automobile manufacturing industry, the graphs are updated as per the selected time range. Also, the time interval can be selected for averaging the data. The table view at the bottom displays the minimum, maximum, and mean values of the received data. Energy supplied from different sources. Individual source can be selected to view its trend in full scale. Section-wise energy consumption. Different sections can be selected to view the consumption with respect to time. This helps in identifying the sections with larger and sudden energy demands. Environmental monitoring of plant divisions. The real-time visualization represents the environmental conditions of different workplaces to quickly access the hazardous situations. Trend plot of environmental parameters. The line graph of environmental parameters categorized into different sections. The data reflects the selected time range and average of the time interval. This solution provides a web interface to log production plan actuals and defects, and the dashboard displays live production status and production rate. The major advantages of this solution is to identify energy shortage in advance, thereby reducing production downtime, and improving workers' safety by monitoring workplace environment. Connect with our IoT expert.